Oh, here is it. I thought.
Come and fly away with me.
Hi guys, welcome back. I fell asleep after my Bigo live. So, we're gonna check the garden. Go with me. Go with me. So we're gonna take off this. So we're gonna go there, checking it. It's sunny. It's sunny, mga langga. It's sunny, but a little, ano. So magsuot taog chinilas na kuan. Yung magmedia sa ta. Ang saon man ni ha. Adi na lang uy. Hinlo man sad ni. Na. So we're gonna wear. And yeah, we're gonna go to the garden. It's sunny. Hola. It's a so we're gonna go to the garden. Sa among kapobrian ay naaman di ay nagkuan, naaman di ay naghinlo mga guys, na ay nagkuan ba, nagamawing. So we gonna go back. Ulaw pagkayo akong suot niya mag-garden. Unya na taod-taod kay unya na taod-taod kay kuan. Oh, dari na lang ta maglingkod no. Ulaw ud kaayo mga tutad guys. It's sunny, it's good weather. So we're gonna go inside. Oh, this is good. We're gonna go back inside. I wish I could go to the garden and check, but you know, I'm shy. I'm shy to the people there. They are old, like old people, and I'm wearing just like this. Maybe they will ask me, oh, what happened to that girl, to that woman. It's nice weather this afternoon. So we're gonna go inside, guys.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, welcome back. Ayan, maghiwa ta og mangga. Kaon sa tagmangga. Ayan, I have fish here. And then I was gonna eat rice and fish. Fried rice and fish. So we're gonna fish. Fish. So we're gonna do it. So, maghiwa ta og onions guys para sa atong fried rice. Nga una ta guys, mga una.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, welcome back. Ayan, time check is 6:40. 6:40. See, 6:40. So, what are we going to make for dinner? We have mango. We have fita bread. We have many things. No food. No food for today. I'm in a diet too. Nainat na ni. So we need to comb our hair. Wait a moment, please. So here is it. I took a hot shower because, you know, it's better for my healthy. For my health. I had headache and some other body circumstances. Oh my God. So I think I will gonna order some food because today is a special day. Today is my year coming here in Belgium. Charot. And I would like to say thank you for my supporter here and in my Bago live. But I think it's ended already there. So we're gonna focus here in our YouTube channel. And thank you to my offside. Thank you to my offside supporter. Offside. So guys, I think that this is the end of our vlog today. And yeah, thank you very much for all of the support from my channel members and from offside supporter. Thank you very much. And to my Patreon and OF, thank you very much, everybody.